Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is YouTube guru Elisha. This is a channel which is actually crafted to help you succeed in your journey on YouTube. I share videos on how you can make it, how to create videos that are viral, those that have the potential to bring you higher revenue. I also share videos on how you can edit your videos before you post them to make sure that they are optimized for success. So if it's your first time, make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to roll out a video, you happen to be notified. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create high definition videos and those powerful videos that can actually go viral and have a higher potential of bringing you higher revenue. So now you will be doing all this without you showing your face on your channel, but by using an artificial intelligence tool, which is highly sophisticated. So now, without any further ado, let's take a ride. Let me take you to that artificial intelligence tool. So if you've never heard of it or you don't know how to use it, I'll be walking you through the steps on how to use it. And I will leave the link in the description section so that you simply click it and then it opens this artificial intelligence tool. So let's get cracking. Okay, so here we are. So once you happen to click the link, you'll find yourself here, and all you need to do is to punch in your email address. Okay, I'm gonna hit that one in and then hit continue. So you may need to sign up since it to be your first time using this tool. So I'm gonna click continue with email, and then what they'll do is they'll send the code to your email address or to your email inbox. So all you need to do is to head on to the email inbox and then punch in this code here. Okay, so after punching in the code, this is what you're gonna say. This is the interface that will pop up before you. So when you read through, you'll see where it reads, give me a topic, premise, and detailed instructions in any language. So here, all you have to do is to punch in the instructions. What do you want it to create? What kind of a video? So you can punch in any idea and that idea will actually be converted into a video. Now, you don't need to ache your brain so much. There is ChatGPT. Always make use of ChatGPT. I became a very good friend of ChatGPT the very day I did a short course, Artificial Intelligence for All. And this has always been helping me from that day till today. And it has always helped me to be a testimony and to be successful on YouTube. I have about 3 channels and all of them are monetized. So I came up with this one so as to help you people who are coming behind me so as to be successful as well. So let's head on to ChatGPT. So here we are. I'm going to open ChatGPT here. Okay, and we are in. I will need to type in here saying use the pieces of information, below to create instructions to feed InVideo AI, to feed InVideo AI to create a video, then instruct it to use non-copyrighted copyrighted pieces of music. Pieces of music. And just like that, I'm gonna hit enter, and ChatGPT will create instructions that I will feed into InVideo AI for it to create a video. Okay, so now they're saying, please provide the specific pieces of information you'd like to be included in instructions for creating the video. Okay, so I completely forgot about this. So I will need to visit my channel. What I want is to create an introductory video, which they call the channel trailer. More, so that I copy everything here, and then after copying this introductory message for my channel, I'll need to head on to ChatGPT, then paste that info here, then hit enter. Okay, so you check out, it's actually producing all the ideas that I'll need to punch into InVideo AI. They're saying, conquer YouTube with Guru Elisha AI, a motivational and informative video introducing Elisha AI as the go-to guide for mastering YouTube success. The video, okay, so these are the instructions. You don't need to do anything, baby. Just sit back and relax. ChatGPT will do everything for us. So now I will copy all these. Come on. Then the title as well. Let me start from here. Let me start from the title. And then head back to InVideo AI. All I'll do is I'll simply paste in there. If I want, I can actually adjust. I can feed ChatGPT with the information that the video should go up to a certain, to a specific period of time. If it's 1 minute, if it's 10 minutes, if it's 7 minutes, I will actually command ChatGPT to do that, and then I'll feed that information. It will adjust everything. So now like this, I don't know for how long this video will run, and then I paste those instructions in here, those that I've copied from ChatGPT. And there they are. So here you can specify what kind of work you want to be actually produced. So now you can hit generate a video, and you see InVideo AI is loading, and boom, it's analyzing the data. Now I'm operating in free mode. There is a paid version and a free version. So if it's your first time you're using it and you just want to see how it works, you'll be given an opportunity of using it, and the maximum minutes to which the video can be produced and can actually run is 9 minutes or 10 minutes rather. Anything beyond that, it can't be produced unless you happen to hook up a paid version. So normally we simply use it in a free mode like this to create short videos, those that can only go up to 9 minutes going downwards. So it's doing its work. It's doing its work. All right, so once it's done, you can now make sure that you highlight the stock media because you are using the free version. Generative media is for those who have paid something. So you can hit continue so that it generates the video now. So it's actually now producing the video. It's analyzing everything. There we go, baby. All right, so once InVideo is done with production of the video, what you need to do is you simply hit, if you want, you can play along. You can preview the video by playing it once, and then when you're satisfied that it is what you'd want it to be like, you can hit download, and then you upload it to your YouTube channel. If you don't know how to upload, check out this video up there. So you download, once it's downloaded to your device, you can now upload it to YouTube. So friends, go ahead and make some $500 on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. This is Guru Elisha.